Have you ever wondered what happens when two black holes collide? Could it change everything we know about the universe? The universe is full of mysteries, but one of the most fascinating phenomena is the collision of black holes. These cosmic giants are some of the most extreme objects in space, and when they collide, they create ripples in the fabric of space-time. Imagine two supermassive black holes, each billions of times heavier than our sun, coming together and merging into a single, even more powerful black hole. This event releases an immense amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves, which we can detect here on Earth. Today, we're going to explore a discovery that changes how we understand black holes and the universe itself. In 2023, astronomers observed the largest black hole collision ever recorded, and it's a breakthrough in our quest to understand the cosmos. What exactly happened during this collision? On November 23, 2023, astronomers detected a gravitational wave signal from a massive black hole merger. The event, known as GW231123, occurred when two black holes, each more massive than 100 times the mass of our Sun, collided and merged into a single new black hole. The mass of the newly formed black hole was more than 225 times that of the Sun, making it the largest black hole merger ever observed. The two black holes spiral toward each other, their immense gravity causing the space around them to warp and distort. As they collided, the black holes released an enormous burst of energy, which traveled across the universe as gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space-time itself. These waves were detected by the LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, a state-of-the-art facility designed to capture these minute disturbances. This collision gives us a unique opportunity to study black holes and the nature of space-time, and it's also a sign that the universe is much more dynamic and unpredictable than we once thought. Why is this discovery so important? This discovery is important for several reasons. First, it challenges our understanding of how black holes form and grow. Traditionally, scientists believed that black holes form from the collapse of a massive star, creating a single, isolated black hole. However, this new observation suggests that black holes can also grow by merging with other black holes. The two black holes involved in this merger were far larger than the typical black holes we see forming from stars, meaning they likely grew over time by merging with smaller black holes. This opens up the possibility of black holes having a more complex evolutionary history than we initially thought, possibly forming from multiple smaller mergers rather than single stellar collapses. Secondly, the size of the new black hole, more than 225 times the mass of the Sun, raises important questions about the limits of black hole formation and growth. This discovery pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in terms of black hole size and the forces at play in these cosmic collisions. What do we learn about space and time from this? Gravitational waves, the ripples in space-time that are created during events like black hole collisions, have become one of the most powerful tools in modern astronomy. When two massive black holes merge, they disturb the very fabric of space-time, sending out gravitational waves that travel across the universe. These waves were first predicted by Albert Einstein in 1915 as part of his theory of general relativity, but it wasn't until 2015 that scientists were able to directly detect them for the first time. What makes this recent discovery so important is that it provides us with a deeper understanding of the nature of space-time itself. Gravitational waves allow us to study objects and phenomena that are otherwise invisible to us, like black holes and neutron stars. By observing these waves, we can learn more about the distortions in space-time caused by extremely massive objects, and we can test Einstein's theory in ways that were once thought impossible. This discovery brings us one step closer to answering fundamental questions about the structure of the universe, the nature of gravity, and the extreme events that occur in the depths of space. How will this change the way we understand the universe? This discovery challenges some of the fundamental ideas in astrophysics and could change the way we think about the universe. The sheer size and power of the black holes involved in this collision suggests that there may be black holes that are much larger than we thought, and the way they interact with each other could be more complex than we imagined. This also has implications for our understanding of gravity and space-time itself, As we continue to observe gravitational waves from other black hole mergers, we'll be able to test our theories about how black holes grow, how they form, and how they interact with their surroundings. This will give us deeper insights into the origins of these cosmic giants and their role in the evolution of galaxies. We may even discover entirely new aspects of physics that challenge the current understanding of space, time, and gravity. What will the next discovery tell us? With every new black hole merger we detect, we get closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. As technology advances, we will be able to observe even more distant and powerful cosmic events. The next discovery could reveal more about the nature of dark matter, the origin of galaxies, or even provide evidence for extra dimensions of space-time. The possibilities are endless. Stay tuned, because the universe is full of surprises. Don't forget to subscribe to Fresh Science Daily for more incredible scientific discoveries.